If you want to add a photo to a contact on Nothing Phone 3a, then first of all, we're gonna go to the phone app. We're gonna switch to contacts and let's select the contact for which we want to add a photo. Now over here, press this pen icon in the top right corner, and then we have the option to add a picture. We can either use camera and take the picture right now, or we can go to the gallery in order to select a photo. So let's say I'm gonna choose this photo over here. Of course, we can adjust the photo a little bit. We can zoom in and zoom out and change the position. There we go. And then once we are done, and also we can rotate as well, by the way. Then we can press choose at the bottom, and there we go. Now press save in the top right corner, and we have set a photo. In case you don't have the option to set a photo, it might be most likely due to the contact being saved on a SIM card. So you need to have your contact saved on your Google account or phone storage, but not on SIM card to be able to do so. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!